everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Thank you for stopping by. Today I'm going to be unboxing everything I got for the Boxycharm pop-up sale, and I only ordered it maybe 2 weeks ago and I can't remember what's inside, so it'll be a surprise to all of us. So let's delve in. Alright, here's what we have inside. It looks like I only ordered 2 items. Good for me. Jay, I only ordered 2 items. So the first item is an eyeshadow palette, obviously. So this is the Violet Voss Pro Eyeshadow Palette, I think called Hashtag. That's what the back looks like. Fun colors. Let's open it up and see what the shades look like. Nicely packaged. So that is what the box looks like. And when we open it up, it's got a mirror. And then here are our shades. Those are really pretty for fall. So top row, we've got Fresh, Sauce, Savage, Goat, and ILY, which I think the youngsters would say I love you. I don't know what GOAT stands for though, so if you could leave a comment, tell me what that means, that'd be great.
I know.
What do you mean? What is it?
Greatest of all time.
Is it really?
Yes.
You're so hip and jive, turkey. And then we've got Truth, Lady Boss, No Filter, Throwback, and Lit. Third row, Vacay, Goals, FOMO, Low Key, and Living. And then the bottom row, Sunset, Relevant, TBT. What's TBT there, guy?
Throwback Thursday?
Oh.
I don't know, I guess.
Petty AF and Life. It's really pretty colors. Let's try a couple of the shades out. Let's try Lady Boss. Let's try Low Key and Life and Petty AF. Because I am that. Oh. They'll swatch really nicely. Those are really, like, those swatch so nicely. Oh, I'm excited for this palette. Oh no, I just noticed the mirror's cracked.
Oh no.
Oh, that's not good. Come on, guys.
Yeah, but the makeup was really nice, right?
The makeup doesn't look flawed, and so I guess that's okay. I might send an email. Okay, I only got 2 items. Oh no, I got 3 items. Okay, what's this one? So I got from NYX. I got a satin lipstick, Shout Loud satin lipstick in the shade Cherry Charm. Let's open it up and see what the color. Oh my gosh, that's a little red for me. Look at that cute little heart imprint. Can you see that? So let's swatch this. Wow. Oh, that's nice consistency though. It's showing up a little more hot pink on camera than it is in real life. It's a really pretty color though. Look at that color, Jay.
Yeah.
Oh, it smells like cherries. So that is the second item I ordered. And then this last item, yes, is another eyeshadow palette. Also from Violet Voss is the Flamingo eyeshadow palette. Try to remember to put the pricing, like the original pricing and then what I paid for it down below, because I know that I did obviously get a good deal, because otherwise I wouldn't have bought it, because I like it to be cheap, like the Chipper Chicken. Father the Bride Show, great movie. Great movie. Martin Short is a living legend. So that is what the packaging looks like. And when we open it up, hopefully the mirror's not broken. Nope. Oh my gosh. Look at these shades. Oh look, there's a picture of me and Jason. Oh no, it's our dog lady.
What?
Oh, you can see the reflection in the mirror.
Wow.
So these are the shades. Look at the colors. Okay, so top row, Flamingos, Donut, Flip Flops, Bikini, Oceanfront, Tidal Wave, Beach Ball, Watermelon, Lemonade, Pineapple, Popsicle, Sunbathe, Surf, Coral, Island, Sand, Seashell, Pinwheel, Sandals, and Sunnies. And I love, these blues are amazing. And then like these pink coralies are also beautiful. So let's swatch. What are we going to swatch? Definitely Beach Ball, Watermelon, Pinwheel, and Surf. That is what the colors look like. Hopefully they're the same quality as, oh yeah. Oh wow. So again, this swatches really nicely. I really like Viola Voss's formula. Beautiful. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Oh, look at how deep that blue swatch. That's amazing. So yeah, that's that. So that is what I got in the Boxycharm pop-up sale. I didn't want to go too overboard because I already spend a lot of money just on my subscription boxes. But to get, you know, eyeshadow palettes for cheap, I wasn't going to pass that up. And I think this lipstick was like $3 for NYX. So I wasn't going to pass that up either. So that is what I got in my Boxycharm pop-up sale. So thank you everyone for watching. As always, I really appreciate it. If you wouldn't mind liking and subscribing, you can subscribe here. And there's more videos here and here for your viewing pleasure. Thank you for watching, and I hope you all have a great day. Bye.